Hey guys, just wanted to share something I've been working on, which is basically restoring the scrolling position across the app. It's not going to be perfect at first, but it already handles most of the cases. Basically, I've got a task here. I've got some content. I can scroll back at the bottom. I can navigate to page, even to another page. And then if I go back, it will restore the position, go forward, same thing, back, and back, same thing. And likewise, in the notes, for instance, if you were to scroll down in the left container, which is a list of pages, likewise here, which is you see the end of the page here. If you navigate somewhere and you actually go back, it will restore the scrolling position on both containers. Likewise here, this is handled as well. If I've got this, I go this and I go back, it will restore the position. Where it doesn't work very well is when you go in between those things, because you can see that if I'm here and I go back, it actually goes to the screen. So those are not considered screens in themselves. So we either need to change something internally, or we can live with that for now, because again, most cases are handled. So event, pages, people, tasks, etc. That's it.